I am going to show you how to promote affiliates link on Pinterest. So let's get started. You can promote affiliates link from any platform on Pinterest. And just for showing you, I will promote this link from Amazon. So just select the specific product that you want to promote. Next, copy the name of product. After that, on the top right corner of the product, you can find the option share. Click on it and then select the second option Pinterest. Then you will be redirected on Pinterest. Now here, click on create board. Next, paste the name of your product and then click on create and simply click on send, and that's it. Now when someone will see this product on Pinterest and will want to buy, then he just need to click on the link over here and they will be redirected to Amazon to buy that product. You can also promote your affiliate links from any platform on Pinterest, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.